Have you ever wondered about the history of Hurghada, the pearl of the Red Sea? Well, let's dive right in. In its early existence, Hurghada was nothing more than a tranquil fishing village, nestled along the picturesque coast of the Red Sea. It was a place where the rhythm of life echoed, with the gentle waves lapping against the shore and seagulls cawing overhead. But as the world began to shrink and far-off places became reachable, Hurghada's strategic location along the Red Sea coast did not go unnoticed. Its transformation was gradual, yet significant. The small fishing village began to morph into a blossoming resort destination. Factors such as its hot climate, clear waters, and picturesque landscapes provided the perfect backdrop for this evolution. The city began to attract adventurers, sun seekers, and water sports enthusiasts from Europe and Egypt alike, each drawn to the charm of this coastal gem. And so, from the humble beginnings of a small fishing village, Hurghada began its journey to becoming a major player on the tourism stage. Did you know that Hurghada has a history dating back to Roman times? Indeed, the influence of the Roman Empire can be traced in the city's development. The strategic location of Hurghada along the Red Sea coast made it a hub of commercial and military activity during the Roman era. It was part of the Roman Empire's robust trade network, facilitating the exchange of goods and ideas across the Mediterranean. Archaeological findings in the region further attest to this Roman influence. Excavations have unearthed remnants of Roman architecture, artifacts, and coins, providing a glimpse into the city's past. These discoveries help us understand how the city evolved under the influence of one of history's most powerful empires. The Roman presence also had a profound impact on the city's development. The Romans introduced advanced techniques in architecture, irrigation, and urban planning. These contributions laid the foundation for the growth of Hurghada, shaping it into the city we know today. Hurghada's rich history, etched by the Romans, contributes to its unique charm. So, how did a Roman-influenced fishing village transform into a modern resort destination? Let's dive into the transformative tale of Hurghada, an intriguing journey that reshaped a humble fishing village into a vibrant tourist hotspot. In this chronicle of change, a significant role was played by the development of water sports and activities. The serene and clear waters of the Red Sea, with its abundant marine life, presented an ideal setting for these activities. The crystal clear waters were not just visually stunning, but they also held an allure for adventure seekers and explorers. Thus, Hurghada began to attract divers and water sports enthusiasts, not just from within Egypt, but from far and wide across Europe. The city became a go-to destination for those seeking the thrill of diving and exploring the underwater world. The creation of popular diving sites added a new dimension to its appeal, turning the city into a coveted spot for diving enthusiasts. However, the transformation wasn't just about water sports. It was a holistic metamorphosis that touched every aspect of the city. The infrastructure of Hurghada underwent a significant overhaul to accommodate the burgeoning tourism industry. New hotels, restaurants, and attractions sprouted up, each adding a fresh layer to the city's charm. The city also saw an influx of international residents, with a significant Russian population making Hurghada their home. This melting pot of cultures added a unique flavor to the city, making it not just a tourist destination, but a global community The transformation of Hurghada was not an overnight phenomenon. It was a gradual and sustained process, fueled by the city's inherent charm, the government's vision for tourism, and the relentless spirit of its people. The once quaint fishing village started to morph into a bustling city. Its skyline dotted with modern architecture, its streets echoing with the sounds of diverse languages, and its shores teeming with travelers from all corners of the globe. With its modern transformation, Hurghada started to shimmer on the global tourism map. Like any city, Hurghada too had its share of challenges, but it always emerged stronger. Throughout its history, Hurghada has faced a multitude of trials, including the heart-wrenching instances of terrorist attacks. These events shook the city to its core, casting a shadow over its sunny skies and clear waters. Yet Hurghada refused to be defined by these moments of adversity. Its resilience is evident in the way it managed to bounce back from these challenging times. The city's leaders, along with its resilient citizens, took steps to ensure the safety and security of both the locals and the visitors. They implemented stringent measures, improved infrastructure, and reinforced the city's commitment to peace and tranquility. Despite these setbacks, Hurghada did not lose its allure. The city continued to thrive, its golden beaches and turquoise waters still attracting tourists from all corners of the globe. The charm of the Red Sea resort city remained unscathed. Its diving sites, hot climate, and vibrant culture continuing to draw in crowds. The city's triumph over adversity is also seen in its ability to evolve and grow. Even in the face of challenges, Hurghada expanded its horizons, growing from a small fishing village to a bustling tourist destination. The city's heartbeat remained strong, its rhythm undeterred by the trials it faced. This resilience, this strength, and this triumph over adversity is what sets Hurghada apart. It's a testament to the city's indomitable spirit and its refusal to let challenges dim its shine. Through resilience and strength, Hurghada has overcome its challenges and continues to thrive. Today, Hurghada stands as a testament to resilience, transformation, and rich history. This city, once a small fishing village, has morphed into a major resort destination along the Red Sea coast. Its hot climate and clear waters, combined with an array of water sports and activities, make it a magnet for adventurers and sun-seekers alike. The city's underwater world is a spectacle to behold. Its popular diving sites offer an enchanting exploration of coral reefs and marine life, attracting divers from all corners of the globe. Hurghada is not just about the sea, though. It is also home to a significant Russian population, adding to the city's multicultural charm. And let's not forget about the city's attractions that cater to the curiosity of history enthusiasts and the wonder of children. The Hurghada Museum, with its extensive collection, offers a journey through Egypt's rich history, while the Hurghada Grand Aquarium opens a window to the fascinating world beneath the Red Sea surface. Beyond the city limits, nearby resorts like Sal Hashish and El Qusayr each offer unique attractions and historical significance. These places further enrich the Hurghada experience, making it more than just a seaside escape. Hurghada, a city with a rich past, stands today as a beacon of resilience and a hotspot for tourists worldwide. If you like this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. These kind of videos are an addition to our normal ones. The history of the visited location, the top spots to visit, or an insight to the local culture. Maybe something completely different. Possibilities are endless. If you have any questions, feel free to post a comment. Till next time.